Hi, Michelle Chalice with Healthy Home Habitats. We are here today to learn how to reuse last year's planters to do some compact vegetable planting. We have a couple supplies here. This is probably a 3-foot long narrow planter. We're going to be planting sugar snap peas that have been soaked overnight. We have a container of water. We have some moo compost, approved for organic farms, and some earthworm castings as well. So I pulled this out of the backyard where it sat all winter long under some cover and watered it really well, and took this very fancy tool and cut through all the roots from last year. I picked out some of the bigger pieces, and it leaves us with a nice loose mix. Now I will take the compost and pour this through here, as well as the worm castings, and I'm just going to mix it all up. So now we have our planter. We have all the good parts of last year's soil, all of the humus material, and we have 3 containers of the moo compost, and we have 1¾ of container of the earthworm castings, and we have our pea seeds that have soaked overnight. And I am going to place these kind of in a ladder style, maybe 3 inches from each other, maybe 1.5 inches down each, and then we will water this up and keep an eye on it for the next couple weeks, and have some wonderful sugar snap peas that will need something to grow up onto. So this will be moved to a location that will have a nice tall lattice. Thank you.